Good morning. Hopefully the sun's not in your eyes too bad. It's a beautiful morning. We are in Alabama. Heading over here to the Petro in Atlanta, Georgia. Spent the night last night in Cottondale, that TA there, instead of the Petro just south of Birmingham, because the truck was out of fuel. I was afraid we wasn't going to make it. So we pulled in that TA and fueled up and got a spot. Just realized I got all them water spots on my hood. You guys probably sitting there staring at water spots for a while. Yep, I haven't washed the truck since last year. But I'd washed it today over here at the Blue Beacon. It was just too stinking cold, and it's supposed to rain Monday at the house, like an 80% chance. So I think I'll just let the truck stay dirty. So anyway, well, it's a balmy 24 degrees today. We are much warmer than most of the country. So not too bad. The truck is running great, pulling like a freight train. And doing pretty well. So we'll try to do a live broadcast this evening. Still haven't got it configured. The iPhone will not video in landscape mode, only in portrait mode. You can rotate it once you video it in iMovie, but I have yet to find a way to actually video it correctly in the first place. So we'll do a live video. It will be in portrait mode, which is not real good, and because we can't get the live feed on the YouTube channel to work on the laptop. I don't know why. I guess I'm not. You gotta do some kind of encoding, and I don't know. There's a lot of steps you gotta go through. Because I wanted to use the video camera that I bought and video myself, and then use the laptop to read and respond to comments, but I can't get it configured. So we'll do what we can do. But it should be a pretty boring experience over here at the Petro. I get there about 10 o'clock local time, and in the morning, on Saturday morning, and stay there till Monday morning. It was just too far out of route to go home. I could have shot up from Birmingham to Chattanooga and stayed at the house, but it's just too far out of route. And was it worthwhile to do that? So there's a chrome shop over there. I need 3 little chrome knobs. I can't think of anything else I really need at the chrome shop. So we're about to have the truck done. Still got to put the stainless fenders on it, or the piece that goes behind the fender on the edge of the hood there. And then our lights on the bumper. That's pretty much it, you know. So ain't a whole lot left that I want to do to it. So the chrome shop, that'll take about 5 minutes. Then I'll be bored the rest of the day, right? So anyway, I got data entry to do, and some carrier packets to work on. And I mean, I got plenty to do. I won't be bored by no means. Videos to edit, a live broadcast to hopefully do, and a book to read. So we got lots to do to keep ourselves busy, and also a truck to clean, right? Vacuum inside, wipe the dash down. Anyway, we were just talking to ourselves. So we'll see you guys after a while. We have come up on a wreck, and it's a normal, typical tractor trailer wreck that another rear end. This is happening more and more. I'm getting to where I'm going to see one every day. A big truck ruins another big truck. I mean, just crazy. It's just there's no excuse in it, man. You know, not paying attention to what you're doing, where you're going, and you ruin another truck. And here's another thing that really irks me. We're in traffic. If one had a big truck in front of me, you could see the emergency flashing lights to the right. And the CB and everything else is telling you the right lane's closed. Of course, JB Hunt here probably doesn't have enough common sense to turn the radio on, or he doesn't care, and he's in that right lane because that's the lane that moves the fastest. The lane is closed. There's 2 or 3 big trucks over in the right lane, and we've been in this traffic jam for a while. So they had all the time in the world to get over it. But we live in a me society. Before we come to a complete dead stop, everybody was changing lanes to the right lane because it was moving. The reason it's moving is because they're getting up and cutting everybody off, you know. And they forced themselves over in front of my hood, trying to take my fender off. So, you know. But anyway, I'll show you the wreck when we get up here. I heard on the radio it's pretty bad. And some big truck rear into the container. They've already got the container up there on top of the ramp. But I think they said the cab was twisted plumb sideways on the frame rails of this other truck. But anyway, we'll get up here and see if we can get you guys a shot of it. And anyway, we're going to sit here and play in this traffic, which I don't think is real bad. But they might have it stopped here a minute. They might be picking the wrecker up, so we might not even get to see the wreck. So that's the bad thing. You sit through all the traffic. Time you get up there, it's gone. You're like, well, crap. You know, you kind of wanted to see it after being in there for 30 minutes. But anyway, all right. See you in a bit. Looks like we got some chicken feed on the ground. High-speed chicken feed. Holy smokes, that was bad, wasn't it? Wow. The driver's seat right there looked intact. I have a feeling that old boy, there appears a piece of the front end, man. Wow. I have a feeling he probably hit a truck stopped on the shoulder of the road. That was a bad impact. Wow. Sure hope he's alright, but you see the driver's seat there is intact, which was amazing. So hopefully he survived it. That's why you don't stop on the side of the road, guys. I mean, I'm just assuming that's what happened. But you see a lot of drivers just stop on the shoulder of the road or whatever. It's very dangerous to do that because you got somebody coming up the road not paying attention. They drift over and slam one of these things into a dead stop truck on the side of the road. It's whew. I see it a lot.